Hello my fellow riders and welcome back to Riding Reviews. Today we're going to be reframing a Yamasaki F30.
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you...
This bike was involved in an accident and needed to be reframed. So as you can see, the first bit that goes on is those front forks. You do take them off of the other bike in big sections, so it's not actually that difficult to put on. Then goes on the handlebars, the rear swinging arm and the rear suspension. Next is that wheel.
Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like.
Now the most complicated part of putting this bike together is the wiring loom. The engine isn't that much of an issue to put in because it is all in one piece. It is a bit heavy and it is a bit tricky doing it on your own, but I have experience in this.
Try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down.
Next is the peripherals, the coil, the airbox, battery holder, all of the things that you wouldn't really think about.
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
When in putting on the back plastics, it is a bit tricky just to get everything in the right place, because you've got to get one piece of plastic above the other and then below the other bit. So it is a bit of a pain, but it is completely doable. Now if you decide that you want to try and redo this on your own, it is possible. I don't usually work at 400 miles an hour, so as you can imagine, this took me about 4 hours to complete. If you do it, being as you've never done one before, is probably going to take you quite a bit longer. So please bear in mind that there is a large time factor to something like this. And if you don't have an inkling of what you're doing, please don't attempt it, because remember, if you don't tighten up one bolt properly, this could cause you a lot of issues later on.
So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear.
Now if you liked this video, hopefully you did, you'll subscribe to the channel to stay updated to all the latest content. Hit that thumbs up to tell the YouTube algorithm that you like my video. But as always, ride safe.
They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.